Question, do you ever switch your phone on to airplane mode while flying? If you only turn it on while traveling on an airplane, you may not be taking full advantage of this phone setting. Here are my top clever ways to use airplane mode. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. How-tos and tech quick tips are over at cyberguy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free newsletter. First, here is how to turn on airplane mode on iPhone. Swipe down from the top of your screen to reveal the control center and tap the airplane icon. On Android, swipe down from the top of your screen to reveal quick settings and tap airplane mode. So what is airplane mode? It's a setting that comes on smartphones that turns off your phone's network connections and wireless signals. It was originally intended to make phones still usable while on airplanes so that you don't have to turn them completely off. However, off the airplane, the quick setting actually comes in pretty handy during other occasions. First, you can get way more out of your battery life if you switch your phone to airplane mode. Your phone will stop searching for a cell signal constantly, meaning the battery won't drain as quickly. Some people find it helps their phone charge more quickly as notifications won't be coming in as you're trying to repower that battery. Next, you can avoid roaming charges if you're traveling internationally and haven't purchased a SIM card or roaming plan. Airplane mode can help you stop from receiving a cell phone bill full of charges you weren't expecting because your phone won't accidentally connect to foreign cell networks. You can still connect to local Wi-Fi networks and use your phone to browse the internet or text if you use Wi-Fi based services like iMessage or WhatsApp. Another great tip, it prevents tracking when you're using airplane mode. If you've got location services turned on like most people and don't want someone to be able to see the location of your phone, let's say you're trying to surprise someone and don't want them to track your current location, turn on airplane mode before traveling there. The setting won't notify contacts that you've stopped sharing location. Rather, it's just going to display your last known location before turning the setting on, or won't display your location at all. Next, use airplane mode to reduce distractions. Notifications steal the moment, taking away your natural inclination to think and be with your own thoughts. Remember those days? Now, no matter how strong-willed you may be, if you want to stop people from being able to interrupt you with a call or text as you read an ebook or at an important event, airplane mode will cut off their ability to contact you while enabled. Just remember to turn it off after you're done so everyone can get back in touch with you. Finally, sleep without interruptions. You can turn on airplane mode before going to bed to avoid any incoming calls, messages, or notifications that may disrupt your sleep. However, make sure to disable airplane mode when you wake up so that everyone can get in touch with you. It's important to note that while airplane mode can be useful in certain situations, it also disables cellular communication, so be sure to enable it only when appropriate. I recommend you don't use airplane mode if you're expecting an important phone call, a text, or email. You should also not use airplane mode if you need to use GPS services or if you need to make an emergency phone call. Got a question? I'll get you the answer at cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.